Malacanang has rejected the offer of Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong to lead the investigation into alleged corruption in government's flood control projects. Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says there is no need to designate a lead investigator as the chief executive himself has laid out a system to look into the allegations. Castro, however, urged Mayor Magalong to directly submit the information he has to the president. Magalong has alleged that at least 67 congressmen were involved in flood control kickbacks. Castro also challenged Magalong to name these officials.
Kung ano man po ay maitutulong ni Mayor Magalong, mas maganda po na ito'y mailahad niya sa Pangulo. At hindi naman po siguro kinakailangan pang magkaroon ng isang magli-lead sa probe dahil nga may mekanismo na po at sistema na ibinigay ang ating Pangulo.
Castro reiterated that the investigation on flood control projects will not be a witch hunt and that no one will be reprimanded or charged without evidence. Meanwhile, in an interview with Ted Filon and DJ Chacha, Magalong said more people have approached him with information about alleged corruption in government.
Marami na rin nakikipag-ugnayan sa akin para magbigay ng information. Meron na rin silang gustong ipadalang mga dokumento. Meron na rin mga nakukuhang mga dokumento na mga digital copies na talagang very discreet yung pagkapadala nila sa akin. Meron mga binanggit na mga figures. So, all of these are actually leads lang. We consider them as leads. Hindi pa ito ebidensya.
Opo.
Kailangan pa talaga kailangan pa ng evaluation. Pero ako na nagsasabi na very credible.
We have one of the few people who blew the whistle on supposedly anomalous flood control projects and other infrastructure projects even before the President's SONA. So we welcome to the big story, Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong. Good evening, Mayor, and welcome to the big story.
Good evening, Seth. Good evening, Sonia and Pauline, and to our viewers. Thank you for having me.
Well, Malacanang has respectfully declined your offer to lead the probe. Ano pong sagot nyo?
Seth, hindi naman ako nagpupumilit eh. Para naman ako nagmamakaawa sa kanila. Hindi naman ako nagpumilit. Nag-volunteer lang ako sa kasakaling wala sila. Kasi wala silang makita pa. Unang-una, just would like to emphasize that the investigation should be conducted by a third party. An independent body. That is actually the intent. Yun ang gusto kong ipahiwatig sa kanila. Hindi yung mismong mga akusado, kaya yung mga kung sino yung mga involved, sila rin na mag-iimbestiga sa sarili nila. Kumbaga, it's a question of moral ascendancy. Para mong sinabihan yung kriminal na, okay, sige, imbestiga mo na yung sarili mo, tapos kumuha ka na rin ng mga ebidensya, tapos pailan mo na rin yung kaso mo. Ganun ang nangyari. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun. Kaya hindi po ako nagpupumilit. Nag-volunteer lang po